Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel ROHITH TECH. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get Play Store vouchers for free and also how to get Free Fire diamonds and other premium things in any games for free. So before starting our video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start our video. To get free vouchers and any premium things in game, we need to download an app called Pirate Games, which is, the link is given in the description and also available on Play Store. You can go and check it out. So after downloading your Pirate Game, you need to open the game and you need to sign in into the game with an email ID, any email ID, and after that you can see this type of interface here. You can have many options here. You can even send your friend and invite your friend. If your friend downloads with your link, you can get up to 25 rupees coins. I'll tell you later what is these coins, and also you can get about this app, and you can get this type of info here, and also you can have many options here in your account and your coupon code, and also terms and conditions, privacy, and also you can get supported by the games. So after you're done with your settings, you can see this type of games here. Like many games like straight game, actions, adventure, and also you can swipe up for more games, and also you can swipe side for more games. So you can select any of this game from here which you know and which you are able to play for free, and which you like. You can open the game, and after opening the game, you can see this type of interface here. This app will open in an website. This games will be open in an website designed by this Pirate Games app, and you can see the loading game here. So I chose this game. You can see this type of interface here. This really, it is not a free to play, and you can see this ball here. You just need to collect these diamonds in this game, and you can see I got just 1 point, and again I'm retrying for another game, and this is how we play. And now after playing your game, you can see you got 4 points, 15 points. So you need to press the back, and if you want to play again, you can just click on play again. This is the mute option, and after this you can see this notification shown here. You want to claim your gift or exit game or keep playing. So I'm claiming my points. I got 2 points, and I got 2 points, and you can see the notification I have received 2 points. So these pirate coins will help you to get free vouchers and all. So if you want to get your free vouchers, you need to click on that pirate coins, and you can see here this type of interface here. You have how many coins you have, and minimum 1000 coins to required to redeem your revenue, and you can log in with the Paytm also. And these are this 50 rupees voucher you can get by 1000 coins, and you can get 100 rupees voucher for 2000 coins, and you can get 31 diamonds in Clash of Clans for 5,000 coins, and also 100 diamonds in Free Fire for 2000 coins. So you can play your games and earn money, and you can get free vouchers and premium things in your games like diamonds in Free Fire. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.